Anna and Mark are sitting at a cafe, sipping coffee on a sunny afternoon. They're catching up after not meeting for several weeks. It's been a while, Mark. How have you been? Yeah, it feels like forever. I've been good, just busy with work. Deadlines are piling up. What about you? Same here. Work has been hectic, but I've been trying to find time for myself. You know, doing little things to stay sane. Like what? Have you taken up a new hobby or something? Actually, yes. I started painting. I'm not great, but it's relaxing. It's my way of unwinding after a long day. What about you? Any new hobbies? Painting? That sounds amazing. I've always admired people who can create something from scratch. As for me, I've been trying to learn guitar. It's harder than I thought, though. My fingers are sore all the time. That's so cool. You've always been into music, haven't you? How's the progress so far? Slow, but steady. I can play a few chords now, and I'm working on a simple song. It's rewarding when I finally get something right. Have you painted anything recently that you're proud of? I actually did a landscape last week. It was inspired by a photo I saw online, rolling hills and a sunset. It didn't come out exactly how I wanted, but it's a start. That sounds beautiful. I'd love to see it someday. Maybe we should collaborate. You paint, and I'll play background music. That sounds like a plan. We could call ourselves the creative duo. I like the sound of that. So, apart from hobbies, how's everything else? Family doing okay? Yeah, everyone's doing well. My brother just started college, so that's exciting. My parents are empty nesters now, though. They're adjusting. How about your family? They're good. Thanks for asking. My sister got a new job recently, so she's been busy but happy. My parents keep asking me when I'll visit more often, though. You should. Family time is important. I try to visit mine at least once a month. It helps me recharge. True, I should make it a priority. By the way, have you done any traveling lately? You used to talk about wanting to visit new places. Not recently, but I'm planning a trip to Italy in the spring. I've always wanted to see Rome, Florence, and Venice. What about you? Any travel plans? Italy? That's amazing. I've heard the food there is incredible. I don't have anything concrete planned, but I'd love to visit Japan someday. It's been on my bucket list for ages. Japan would be incredible. The culture, the food, the cherry blossoms, it's all so fascinating. You should go. Maybe we can swap travel stories one day. Definitely. Speaking of stories, do you remember that time in college when we got lost on our way to that concert? Oh my gosh, yes. We missed half the show, but ended up discovering that little diner. The pancakes there were unforgettable. They really were. It's funny how some of the best memories come from unexpected moments. Totally. That's why I've been trying to focus more on living in the moment. Life is too short to stress over every little thing. That's a great mindset. I've been trying to do the same. It's easy to get caught up in work and forget to enjoy the simple things. Exactly. Like this, sitting here catching up with you. It's these moments that really matter. I couldn't agree more. Let's make a pact to do this more often. Deal? Deal? Same time next month? It's a date. And next time, bring one of your paintings. I'm serious. I want to see it. All right, but only if you bring your guitar and play something for me. You've got yourself a deal. Perfect. Now, should we order dessert? I heard they have an amazing chocolate cake here. You had me at chocolate. Let's do it. This is why we're friends. Exactly. Anna and Mark reconnect over coffee, discussing work, hobbies, family, and travel. They reflect on old memories, share their aspirations, and make plans to meet more often. The conversation highlights the importance of friendship and enjoying life's simple pleasures. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment with your thoughts, and share it with your friends.